Namaste and hello. This is your Sanskrit instructor welcoming you back into lesson number 12. For the past two lessons, for the past two videos, we were going over Anuswaara. And now I want to take that knowledge and I want to apply that knowledge of Anuswaara to where it could be useful. So for most of the time, Sanskrit could be found in religious texts such as the Vedas. Also, Sanskrit is also in the Bhagavad Gita. There's not many other texts that are written in Sanskrit. Those are like the two main ones, the Vedas and the Gita. So I'm going to focus on two mantras from the Rig Veda, and I have it here if you want to know exactly where in the Rig Veda I got these mantras from. And we'll be taking a look at the text so that we could see how it is applied in real life situations. So, application of Anuswaara, why is this so important? So, those of you that learn from the Maharshi Dayanand Gurukul would be familiar with this mantra. So let's read it together. So, Shanna Indragni Bhavatam Mavobhihi Shanna Indra Varuna Ratahavya Shamindra Soma Suvitaya Shamyoh Shanna Indra Pushana Vajasato. So this is from the Shanti Karna mantras, and they belong to the Rig Veda. It's part of the Havan mantras. And the words that I want to focus on are the words that obviously have an anuswar on them. So let's highlight those words with the anuswar. So we have sham over here. And these mantras are usually explained as, if you remember, every time when these mantras are chanted, sham, 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 shanti, shanti, shanti. Sham means peace here. And we're going to highlight where it says sham. Okay, now this is Shanna Indragni. So this is Shan over here. The first Shan is as Shanna. It's as Shan. Okay, and the second Shan is also Shanna. Notice that it's Shun and it's not Shum. And the reason for that is because you have a na following it. So it would just be a lot easier. Look at how beautiful Sanskrit is right here. Instead of saying shamna, it would be easier, a lot easier to say shanna. You're going to see that like often. That sometimes Sanskrit syllables are just joined together so that it could be more convenient for it to be pronounced. Now, take a look at this. This is also shum, but it's not being pronounced as shun. Here it's being pronounced as shum yoha. Okay? So this is shanna, shanna, and then all of a sudden we have sham yoho. But all of these, it's the same exact word. They all mean peace. But if that's the case, why is it pronounced differently? So, again, Shanna, it's Shanna for the first two lines because there is a na there. And because there is a na, it belongs to the dentals. So they're just going to turn that anuswar into a na because it's of the dental class. And again, remember the rule is any of the five nasals followed by one of the first four mutes of its own class. So because na is already a nasal, even though it's not one of the first four mutes, it's being pronounced as shanna. Now for sham yoho, now this gets interesting. Now sham yoho. Let's take a look at the letter. So it's sham yoho. So the letter that is following the anuswar is ya. let's take a look at the table as to where ya is. Ya is not one of the mutes. So it doesn't follow this rule, any of the 5 nasals followed by one of the 4 mutes. So you would think that it would take this nya, but since it is not one of the 4 mutes, and remember, the first 4 columns are considered to be the first 4 mutes. Since this is not considered a mute, it's considered a semi-vowel. It does not take the soft nasal form in that group. Instead, it just takes the regular ma sound in the Anuswaara. It takes a final ma. So that's why in this case, it is considered to be shum and not shun with an N. Okay? In the bottom here, I do have a translation as to what this Sanskrit mantra or this Sanskrit text means. So you could take a minute and look at that. I just want to give you another example before I close this video. So again, let's highlight the shum. Shum, shano. There's a shum in shana. And then you have sham rodasi. And then you have shano. So in the same way, again, all of the shums that have a na after it, this letter na after it, it is the same reason. It is shanno and it's shanna. It's shanno, shanna, and shanno because of the na over here, because of this na. Okay. But shum rodasi, okay, let's take a look at ra, where ra is placed. So ra on the table, ra is a semi-vowel. So it is not considered to be one of the 4 mutes. So it doesn't follow this rule, any of the 5 nasals followed by one of the first 4 mutes of its own class, because it's not considered one of the first 4 mutes. So instead of taking the cerebral na, which is the same class that the ra came from, instead of taking the na, it's going to become a ma instead. And that is why this is considered to be shamrodasi instead of shanrodasi. Okay, I forgot to read the mantra for you, so let me read it. So this is shanno dhata shamudharta no astu shanna uruchi bhavatu swadhabhihi shamrodasi brihati shanno adrihi. Again, that's another shan. Shanno devanam suhavani santu. Okay, so here's the application of Anuswaara in real life situations. In the bottom here, I have the translation. So I know it could get a little tricky. This is why I gave these 2 examples, but I hope that you can understand it. If you still have questions upon this or you still have doubts, just send out an email to mdg.sanskrit@gmail.com, and I would be more than happy to answer your question. And that's about it for Anuswaara, and I think we're ready to move on with another topic. Take care. Namaste. This is your Sanskrit instructor signing off.